Assalamu alaikum class, this is Warda here, and today we are here again for another letter and another set of activities. So let's start the day and the lesson with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And as usual, we are going to do the poem together first of all. It's E, okay, it's E is for ill, E is for insect, E is for ill again. I'm ill when you get you take pill. Again, E is for ill, E is for insect, E is for ill when you get you take pill. So we have focused on the sound of E. E ill, E insect, and the pill as well. Moving on, we have a set of objects on the screen and you need to tell me the name of those objects and things. And these are, first of all, we have igloo and ink pen, and then invitation. Again, we have igloo, we have ink pen, we have invitation. So all the letters and all the objects are starting from the sound E. The beginning letter in the sound is E. Okay, now we have a story that I'm going to read in front of you. It's Imtiaz was very excited. It was his birthday next week and mom told him to write invitation to his friends and family. Imtiaz was planning his birthday on Friday after Jummah prayer. The theme of the birthday party was winters and igloo. To inform his friends, he decided to write invitation card with an ink pen. He had to fill his ink pen with ink. While filling, he accidentally dropped the ink pot on the mat. All the ink spread. His dog, okay, one more thing. Okay, all the ink spread. His dog Iguana came quickly and licked the ink, thinking it was something to drink. That night, after Iguana became very ill, Imtiaz ran to his mom to request her to take Iguana to vet. They rushed to the vet hospital and vet gave a big fat injection to the iguana. The vet told Imtiaz to take good care of the animal and to make sure it drinks a lot of water. Imtiaz promised the vet and brought his iguana home. Okay, so that was the story in which the pet is an iguana and Imtiaz is the owner of the pet, and the story is about the birthday and the ink and everything that I have told you. Moving on, we have the letter that is I. So I is the letter that has the sound E, and we write it like this. And now we have the activity. It's the simplest activity. You just need to cut out a rectangular sheet like this and a circle. Just paste it on the page because we are going to make the insect with it. Just paste it on the page, both of them, and take a black pen or a marker or a crayon. I'm taking the marker and just make the legs of the insect. So here is the simplest activity that could be done in the seconds. I have just cut out and pasted on this sheet and just make the tentacles of the insect. Now, moving on, we have here like how to write it down. So trace it with the index finger, the straight line and a dot. It's E. The short sound is E. So you need to do it with the help of your favorite crayon, and along with this you need to do the sounds repetition, that is I, E. The short sound is E. Okay, so that was all. We have done the activity, the simplest activity. We have go through the poem and the story, and everything is about the sound E. Thank you so much. We will be back with another letter and sound.